Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura and you're watching day 3 of the Hemline Advent Calendar. Little presents every day up until Christmas. All kinds of little sewing tools. We've gotten a little spool of gold metallic thread, which I'm already picturing in my head what I can use that for. I probably need to go to Joann's though and get a metallic thread needle. I'm pretty sure they make something like that, so we'll have to investigate that. Have you ever sewn with metallic thread? Do you get the needle, special sewing machine needle? Anyway, let me know if you do and how it worked out. But I'll be investigating that very soon. But day 3. So we've gotten our thread. We got another tomato pincushion with a strawberry needle sharpener. Who does not like sitting? It does not like sitting on the box. I think it's just going to have to stay in the box for right now. And then come Christmas, I'll probably incorporate all of these things into my sewing room. And you never know, if I get some things cleaned up, I may show you how I've redone some stuff. I love, I've started Facebook Marketplace. I found a lady and she was about 45 minutes away. She was down in Cloud Canyon in Georgia. She had, and I'm not talking little boxes, I'm talking big moving boxes, you know, full of dolls, and she just wanted to get rid of them. And I've had so much fun going through them. And what I'm wanting to do is learn how to, if they're missing a shoe, well, can I make their shoes? Can I make a hat? Just seeing what I can do. And I did meet another lady that she actually repairs dolls. She is, you know, just, if a finger is broken, she's able to fix it. If the face has been, you know, sun bleached, she's able to fix them. And that's what I would love to learn how to do, is to, you know, go to the flea market or an antique store, buy a really ratty, dirty, hair falling out doll and being able to restore it. That's patience and talent and skill. And I am nowhere close to that. But that is a kind of a little dream. I want to learn to do miniatures, and I want to learn how to repair dolls and make dolls. Yep. That's where we're at. Day 3. Bigger box. Oh, yes. A pair of scissors. You can't have too many of these. I'm sorry, you can't. Always a good thing to have. Extra little scissors. So we've gotten thread, we've gotten a pincushion, and now a pair of, my mother would call them nippers. Little nippers. But, like I said, extra pair of scissors, never a bad thing. And I believe my husband is coming home, so I need to wrap this up. And I will see you again tomorrow for day 4. For day 4. Oh, that was cute. Well, we may have to put these boxes back in, so they'll fit back into the box so they're not all sliding around. But there we are. 3 days down, 21 to go. Hope you're having a great day. I hope you're getting inspired. I hope you're getting excited about the things you're going to be making. I hope you're getting, you know, inspired about family time. And I hope you'll come back tomorrow. Be sure to check out the links below to our Amazon store, also to our Shopify. Lots of interesting things. And like I said, I'm try to find interesting flavors of jellies and jams and butters. Our pumpkin butter has no pumpkin in it. It's butternut squash. We all think it's a little bit better. Be sure to check out one of our videos that showed the taste testing that we did between a pumpkin pie and one made with butternut squash. And check out some of our videos from previous Christmases. Doing the German Christmas market, it was really great. I could go back and watch some of our old videos and go, oh yeah, I need to make sure I have nutcrackers in the booth. Oh yeah, I need to make sure I have this. Because all of those were what we had discussed and learned about Germany and their Christmas traditions. So be sure to check out some of those. I believe we also did France. And I don't know if the first year if we actually focused on a country or if it was just random. But be sure to go, check those out. Check out some of our Try It Tuesdays. Especially if you're thinking about, some Christmas presents. They're our spin art. The kids and I really did enjoy the spin art. So check that video out. Check out our shops, our stores. No extra charge to you if you happen to look through our Amazon shop and if you happen to buy something. Does not cost you anything extra. And most importantly, come back tomorrow for day 4. I hope I'll see you. Have a good day.